In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam VR error code 450 in just 5 minutes. This is a common issue, but don't worry, it's a fairly simple fix. Let's dive right in and get your Steam VR up and running smoothly again. First things first, start by opening the Settings app on your PC. You'll need to navigate through a few areas here, so make sure to keep it open and accessible. Once you're in Settings, head over to the Network and Internet section. This is where we'll adjust a few options that can help resolve the error. Next, click on Wi-Fi under Network and Internet. You'll see a list of networks here. Click on your active Wi-Fi network to open its properties. Now, check that your network profile type is set to private. This is crucial. A private network gives your PC more flexibility to communicate with trusted devices on your network. If it's set to public, you may encounter restrictions that interfere with Steam VR's connectivity. Once that's done, your network side is properly configured. Next, let's move over to Steam. Open the Steam application on your PC and navigate to your library. Find Steam VR in your list of games and applications. Once you locate it, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the Betas tab. This section lets you opt into beta versions of Steam VR. From the drop-down menu, choose Steam VR Beta Update. This option often includes fixes for known issues and could resolve the error code you're experiencing. Now for the final step, check your firewall and VPN settings. Sometimes these can block or disrupt Steam VR's connection. Try temporarily disabling your firewall or VPN and see if the issue goes away. If it does, you may need to whitelist Steam or adjust your security settings to allow VR traffic. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you should be able to fix Steam VR error code 450 and improve your overall experience. If this solution worked for you, or if you discovered another fix, feel free to share your experience in the comments. Let's keep gaming fun and frustration free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.